Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying your device OS and granting necessary permissions so the app can control sites and schedules. Once done, install BlockSite from your device's App Store and open it immediately to set basic controls. You'll create an account or continue as a guest. Choose Account if you want sync and backups. Make sure to allow accessibility and notification access when prompted so blocking works reliably across browsers and apps. Next, you add the specific websites, domains, or keywords to the block list so distractions stop loading. Once entries are set, create schedules for focused periods, work, study, or sleep, and assign which lists apply. This automates blocking when you need it. Make sure to configure whitelist entries for essential sites and enable the pause feature for temporary access. If using browser extensions, connect them now so blocks apply across devices and sessions. Finally, you enable advanced rules like password-protected settings and browser extension link so children or colleagues can't change blocks. Use import/export to copy lists between devices and turn on sync for continuity. If something fails, first restart your device and ensure accessibility and notification permissions are still granted. Often reauthorizing the app resolves issues. If problems persist, temporarily disable other apps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.